Hey, it's Cold Tough Cookie, and I'm back with a air fryer recipe. Your girl got an air fryer, and now she want to just cook everything in the air fryer, okay? So today we're doing bacon wrap scallops in the air fryer. So I put my rack in. My air fryer has already been preheated, and I'm doing bacon first. I don't want to cook it all the way, but I followed this recipe from somewhere online, and they had it set for 350. I wouldn't recommend 350. I will go up to at least 375. Adjust your recipe according to the thickness of your bacon and the size of your scallops. That should be helpful when you're cooking this. Now I added pepper to my bacon. You can also add maple syrup if you have any, or brown sugar, just for a different taste to your bacon. That's optional. So here I am taking my bacon out. Again, I wish I would have cooked it just a tad bit longer so it wouldn't be as pink, but I'm taking it out here. Still trying to follow the little recipe that I found online, and I'm gonna cut it in half to prepare it for my scallops. And then also I'm gonna start seasoning my scallops, which you'll see in a second. So I'm using this seafood seasoning from Lobster, a little pepper, grounded pepper, and then here I am going to come in with some onion powder, and then followed up with garlic powder. Okay, let's get to mixing. Make sure everything is mixed well. You want all your scallops to be well flavored. So my half cut bacon pieces, now I'm going to take them and wrap them around the scallops. And then I'm going to hold it with a toothpick like so. And now it's ready to be placed into the air fryer. And I set this so that the scallop is also touching the grill part, sitting up. And I'm going to continue to do that with the rest of them and show you the final results. So this is what it looks like after 15 minutes. I'm going to flip them over and put them in for a little bit longer. Again, to me, the bacon didn't look as done as I would like it, so I just left it in for a little bit longer. So I had it in for another 3 minutes, and I'm just showing you what they look like now. And then, believe it or not, I wind up making salmon, and with the salmon I put them in a little bit longer as well too, because again, I don't want raw meat. So this is my finished product, and this is how they look after I put them in for a little bit longer. And this is actually the day of my birthday. My birthday was February 17th. And I am cooking for myself, having me a little, nice glass of wine to the side. And don't worry, I had a nice little Caesar salad planned before I ate this. But anyway, if you would like to see the recipe also for this salmon, look at that. I'll make sure that I add that next, and just show you my steps. And this is what my meal looked like. Again, I'm not a chef. I just like to eat. But anyway, thank you for watching. I never met a tough cookie that wasn't sweet. Continue to be you, and see you next time. Love you. Bye.